Hello everyone, I am Saugat and today I am going to show you how can you use VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. The VLOOKUP function is a pre-made function in Google Sheets which allows you to search across columns. Let me give you a practical example. If you want to type room type in this column and want the lux required to be displayed in this column automatically, then you need to use VLOOKUP function. For example, whenever I type lift and press enter, I just want the lux required for the room type lift to be displayed over here. In order to do that, first you need to have the data of what is the lux required for the room type. So here you can see I have the data arranged in two columns. Here is the data lift. For this lift, I have the lux required is 150. Now in order to pass this data in this column, I can use VLOOKUP function. To use VLOOKUP function, first you have to select that cell and then enter equals to VLOOKUP. After that, it asks you for the search key. Search key means the cell where the search values will be entered. So our search value is lift, so I have to select lift. After that, let me give comma, and then it says range, the range of values over which the sheets have to search for the values, right? So in sheet 2 I have this range of values. I will select all of them. After that, I will just enter comma. Here it says index. Index means the data which is being looked upon. The input is the number of column counted from the left. So here in this data, our column is this one, so it is column number 2, right? So I will just type column number 2 comma is sorted. Now I have to type whether the data is sorted or not. I can generally type it false, FALSE false. It means the data is not sorted. Okay, after I have typed this much, when I press enter, you can see that the lux required is automatically updated 150, right? So let me just type kitchens over here. When I type kitchens, KITCHENS kitchens, and then press enter, you can see that the lux required is 300. So the data has been automatically updated. Now if I drag this for all these 5 cells, after that, when I type here LIFT lift, enter 150, and then let's try for escalator as well. So escalator, enter 150. So that is how you can use VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. If you find this video useful, then please give a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos in the future, then consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. May you have a good day.